Uptown, energy ground, magical.
You know, Intense always have a pulse on the streets to look for the next biggest dancehall talent. So right now we're there with a vibe with Chris Tugaz. What going, brother?
Fully just sticking in my bro. Magical, you know, Chris Tugaz attack and everything, the man's logical, right?
Yeah, Chris Tugaz. 3 words to describe your musical style.
Well, I would say absolutely enigmatic. You get me, captivating. And again, more I say irresistible. You get me, I say.
Man, you 3 big words. What go on? Yeah, so first of all, Chris Tugaz, talk to me about a name there.
Alright, so Chris Tugaz now. In a real life, Sanjay, you know, so I just demo up on my black one day, but just sit down and just easy and just a vibe. But at first, me used to name Chingaz as a youth, you get me? But I said, no, that name they can't work in the music. You see, we need something more catchy. So my first name is actually Christopher, you get me? But then me sit down now, I brainstorm, I say to myself, say, what else me can really find for kind of connect with Chris? Because I'm not say Christopher, so I just short with Chris, but I say, what else me I go find? And then I say Tugaz, but initially I never have a meaning for Tugaz, so I have to sit down and brainstorm that back as well and realize that we're a talented, unique, genuine, generous, articulate, zealous. You know what I mean? So
you make it all an acronym, behind it.
Yeah, that way there, you know.
Bag of things.
Yeah, man, fully magical, man.
Sound like you like to read, though.
Yeah, bro, alright, here we go on. Still with reading a poem. And in all sense of reality, if you can't read, especially in this day and age, you come like you get left car, computer and anything that take over the world and everything. So you have to have it up as well.
And even musically too, when you see the vocabulary where dancehall gone to.
Exactly, because I pure wordplay and you know the style and the metaphors and the so you know you have to have it. That way, yeah.
Speaking of that now, who are some of your influences musically then and even now?
Well, alright. In all sense of reality, everybody will come before me will make a positive contribution to the music. Mood I say is an influence in some way or the other. You get me? So mood things don't have a particular individual mood I say, alright then.
That top person.
No, not really, because everybody will contribute for can know say alright then 20 years ago them did do this for we can come pick up and channel the game.
This then. Tell me the artist that you used to try sound like when you're a little boy.
No, that is the thing, Sanjay. Chris Tugaz never try to sound like artist, no time at all.
Alright, let me rephrase the question then. Tell me the artist who a song you used to sing every day when you're a little boy.
Alright, big up Vibes Cartel.
Yeah.
Because you know it, but you know Addy. You get to me and say overall, because alright, here we go on now, Sanjay. Me I go say this personally as an artist, you get me? Addy make me have to draw the dictionary whole heap of time, you know. And then a question, you know.
Yeah.
You get me? Some would say Vibes Cartel overall. Well, listen to Vibes Cartel more than most artists.
What is it about cartel music resonated with you as a youth?
Alright. Addy style within itself. The words them where Addy use, some place where Addy even tell you about in a Jamaica, like the way how Addy put things into place when they even talk about females.
Yeah.
You have to get captivated by that, bro.
How would you describe your style now?
More than some go with the moment. Whatever the beat set to me in that particular space, I go with the moment, bro. So if me get a beat where I tell me something positive, then you probably get a reggae. If me get a beat where it sound like for the girl then, I go get something for the girl then. You get me? Yeah, we have to kind of spin it for the street. You get the message, so we have to have, you know, the kind of grimy side to it, but we don't really dwell in that area, you know what I say?
What's been one of your biggest challenges to date?
The politics of the game, Sanjay.
How are some of the ways or some of the things that you've been doing to kind of circumvent the whole politics of the game and, you know, push the talent forward?
Well, alright, for me personally, I never stop working in Sanjay. Never stop writing new songs, never stop trying to make new connections that can actually assist in getting the career forward. You understand me? I say, always I try to do something new, something more creative.
Talk to me about your team.
Alright, my team. So, my team right now, basically everybody are most of who you see right here so is a part of my team. A couple more people, more say more St. Thomas side, because St. Thomas me forward from me, but me based in Kingston now. So my team are who you see right here so a couple more people.
St. Thomas are going with that thing in the music though?
Yeah, definitely. I mean the stars always come from the east and the Sanjay. You know?
What do you think it is about St. Thomas right now where I produce so much stars right now? I mean Moby get for them run, St. Thomas look like them have for them run, you know what I mean?
Well, for me personally, more than more so time. I just send Thomas time right now for just come out into the music and show the dancehall space and even the reggae space that here we're going. At our time.
And right now you're there at Rallington Town. How long you based over there, sir?
More than 2 years now, a little bit past 2 years now. I have the connection them at Vineyard Town same way, Dunkirk same way, Uptown same way. Because I reside Reading side to be exact, so you know it go. But this so you know kind of upper echelon, so at the street have the vibe, so we have to day in the street with the family them. You know them way, Sanjay?
Yeah. True. I know. Now that speaking of the streets, the streets start keep back again now. How have you been taking advantage of that?
All right. I try my best to take advantage of it in Sanjay, but a lot of times, things probably come up here and there where we don't have a certain level of efficiency in terms of moving towards that at times, not all the time. But you see me, definitely getting better at it. I'm just working more for just get out there with the street. You get the message? Just trying to work at it for just master the whole plan more. That's it. You get me?
You feel like you find the right song yet?
Well, based upon the reaction of the street and the people to a single me I run with now named Beverly Hills. Uptown Beverly Hills. That party giving me chills and then she starts sing sweet, make the energy bill. Me say show me what you got, I'm impressed with your skills, girl. Uptown Beverly Hills.
Single you have with King, is it King Jamis himself or one of the sons?
No, King Jamis himself.
King Jamis himself?
Yeah, definitely.
And it's a historic place that run a waterhouse that's
bro, Sanjay.
Or a young youth like you find around there, sir.
Brother, say, alright, watch out now. Say, it's a elderly friend still, with my happening. We're connected with King Jamis from them time. So he always hear me sing and as him jokingly say, he always hear me and make nice, you see me? So like one day him just call me and said to me, say, I'm going to carry to the king. I make him be the king. And so said, so done in Sanjay in a real life, Yeah, man, I see King Jamis, man. I'm not turn all fools, Sanjay, man. Can't believe that King Jamis is true, man. Serious, no? Yeah, man. For real, man.
Yeah, man. A legend, a living legend, man. Living legend.
Yeah, man, I tell her. Joke, brother.
And speaking of producers as well, who are some of the other producers that you have on your radar that you'd love to work with one day? All
right. I'm not going to drop names, but every producer will actually create a wave in the game right now. As long as you're interested, say, all right, then I go work with Chris Tugaz. We did it, man.
Last now, Chris Tugaz, I want you to tell him what most makes Chris Tugaz intense.
Well, Sanjay, I would say just the work still, the work ethic, how we go at it, because here one know, Sanjay, me as a youth, and the money we do the music for per se, because if we have the music for money, we stop the music long time, Sanjay. You get me, I say? Yeah, you get me? So I just love of the game, and as I said, the work ethic, you see me, how man stay persistent in terms of trying to maneuver every obstacle we're coming on my way. Me and my team, because I can't lift out my family them in the Sanjay. No, I can't lift them out because me alone can't do it, bro. You get me? I have to big up my mother to see him because she cuss me. That time I say, oh, I don't want you to do the gun song and all kind of stuff, man. That's for me easy. You know, we're not traveling there for the female. You get me? So we have to big up everybody who support Chris Tugaz, whether overseas, whether Jamaica, or if you live in Iraq or Pakistan, I'm gonna know your language. Big up yourself, magical. You get me? Yeah.
And that's going in a ever persistent, driven, look out for him, Chris Tugaz. Boom.